Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Let's go ahead and cover a couple different things in the weekend video here. So first things first, referring back to my July 24th video there, I covered this very important strategy. It's a mainstay in my long-term work, and so it's super important that you guys continue to understand it. It can really help you identify those locations where you're likely to get the big trending runs versus get the chopping environments. Okay, so with that being said, looking back at this important concept of trend analysis, it's a concept I've affectionately called mom and dad fighting over the years. And because what happens, I would say, oh, if mom and dad are fighting, the kids are kind of running away and scurrying all over the place. So with that being said, as we take a look here, you'll notice that the S&P, the SPY here on the daily chart is still in a net uptrend. Now it is holding on. It's on life support right now in the short term, holding on for dear life here. Initially bounced off the top end of the channel, then hit the middle point of the channel, and now is hitting the bottom end of the channel. So we don't really want to see it going down, much below that now. Otherwise, on a deeper level, there's opportunities to fall all the way to long-term weekly supports. But going back to this idea here, that with the daily rising and the hourly falling. So you'll notice what happened here, even with the hourly over the last couple of days. It tried to push right up above the falling channel and then rolled right back over and died. Well, so here the hourly is in a downtrend, the daily is in an uptrend. What that leads to is this exceptional volatility on an intraday basis. So this was Friday's trading here, as you can see, whipping back and forth. Okay, so right there, just using this tool, it's a great way to go ahead and identify those areas where you can really find yourself whipping back and forth. What does this mean? Well, you might want to use smaller size. You might want to go ahead and potentially stay away altogether, or use more of a sideways market strategy, such as a stochastic strategy or whatnot for classical overboughts, oversolds, etc. But what it does mean is this is not the environment I'm going to be looking for that big intraday runner to buy it in the morning, sell it several hours later, short it in the morning and looking to buy it back, several hours later, because by the time it, you turn around and come back, it's already gone your way and come right back up. So it's a really important strategy. Again, if the daily chart is, let's say, up, the hourly is down, or vice versa. If the hourly is down or the daily is down and the hourly is up, it's the same concept. When those two forces of institutional pricing are against each other, you're going to see a lot of whipsaws on an intraday basis, and just plan accordingly with your stop management, your size management. Okay, and I cover that strategy and so many more, like in the Trade Like a Pro section of the Rob Hoffman videos inside of Wealth Charts there. So if you go down to around video number 26 here, you'll see almost a perfect way, an almost perfect way to forecast trading volatility. Of course, there's so many different strategies that I have in there, so make sure you brush up on all of those different strategies contained within there. And then once you get it done with that, make sure you're going through the countless courses, especially those of you that have suffered any sort of losses lately, that are struggling. You're really going to want to watch this video, Fear of Pulling a Trigger, Handling a Drawdown, 2.5-hour video talking about me and my biggest loss in my trading career and how I got right back on the horse. And now I'm this 32-time international trading champion and having my best year in modern memory here. So just really a great video to go and watch amongst so many other courses in there. Okay, but the learning doesn't stop there. The market analysis doesn't stop there. The things that are happening don't stop there. Of course, I'm right now. You probably haven't seen as much of me as we'd all love to have me out there, but we've got some big things, the biggest things ever planned for big releases in the coming weeks here for Wealth Charts, and it's just going to be a game-changing event in the trading arena here, and I cannot say enough things about how excited I am. So, of course, morning, noon, and night, 7 days a week, I'm basically focused on getting these things released for you guys here by the October summit. So stay tuned for the big, exciting game changers that will be important to all of you listening to this video today. In the meantime, though, you can go ahead and join Ziad to learn more of my strategies this coming Wednesday. That'll be at 10 o'clock Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific there. On Wednesday morning, you're not going to want to go ahead and miss that. To go ahead and keep up on some of my strategies. And these ones are going to be strategies that are important for all traders, whether you're a brand new trader or an advanced trader. This particular class is going to be appropriate for all of them, and so I'm very excited for you guys to be able to go ahead and watch that with Ziad. He'll be teaching you more of those strategies, building upon the types of things I taught you today with those strategies and taking it to a whole new level there. So join him this coming Wednesday morning at becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, and in the meantime, know that I am working feverishly behind the scenes to go ahead and give you guys access to some things like you've never seen them before, and we're going to be watching these key supports in the SPY daily here, for instance, versus like the hourlies, like we talked about a little bit ago. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll look forward to seeing you in upcoming videos. See Ziad this coming Wednesday morning, and the big releases coming for wealth charts. Take care, everyone. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.